If you want to recover your lost or deleted or somehow you cannot remember anymore Yahoo account, this is what you're going to do to recover it. So let's start with recovering it through the Yahoo Help Central. So first, you can see here the recover your Yahoo account. So in order for you to get here, you're just going to type in help.yahoo.com and then you're going to search for recover your Yahoo account. Now, once you're in this page, as you can see here, you have several steps in order to recover your Yahoo account. Let's say that your account has been or you have reactive or deactivated it for the last 30 days. So what you're going to do is you're just going to head over here and then you can see all of the steps in order for you to recover your Yahoo account. What you're going to do is you're going to sign into your account first. You're going to verify your recovery information and then you're going to create a password and click on continue. So let's get started with that. We're going to sign into your account first. And then from here, you're just going to enter your username, your email, and then your phone number as well. So just like how you would normally log in, you're just gonna have to re-log into it. So let's say that I have this account, I'm gonna have to recover this one, and then you're gonna click on next once you have logged in with your login credentials. Now, if for example you can no longer remember your password, you can just click on forgot password right here, and then it will take you to a page wherein you can confirm your information using your phone number. So if for example you have a phone number associated or connected with your account, then you can use that as a recovery option. You also have a lot of different options in order to recover your account, but let's start with this first. So you're going to enter the phone number right here that is needed. So for example, I'm just going to enter the required numbers right here and then I'm going to click on next. And as you can see here, you're just going to have to enter the verification code that was sent to your phone. Now, if you no longer have access to this phone number, you can just click on try signing in another way. Now, if you have recovery options listed in your account before you deactivated it, then you can have other recovery options listed right here. However, if you don't have any other recovery options listed, then your account will no longer be accessed. Now, in order to keep using it, you're going to have to create a new account or you can go to help for more options. So we're just going to click on go to help right here so that we can look for some other options that we may have. Now from here, you're just going to enter or you're going to choose your account or your product. So for example, you want the Yahoo account, of course. We're going to have to enter your Yahoo email address right here. I'm going to enter mine. You're going to just enter it right here. And then after that, you're going to check this I'm not a robot. So you're just going to make sure that you clear the CAPTCHA and then you're going to click on get started. Now, once you're in, you're gonna have to choose from these options whether you want to contact a Yahoo specialist or if you want to see product related help articles. For this one, I suggest that you select contact a Yahoo specialist because most likely the see product related help articles aren't really gonna help you because I've tried to go through all of that, but it's just the common problems that are related with your losing account. But when you contact a Yahoo specialist, you actually have more like options specifically tailored to your problem. So we're just going to click on contact a Yahoo specialist. One thing to note regarding Yahoo specialist though is that you may have to pay for this option. So you're going to have to make sure that you have the funds available, or if you don't want to spend money on that, then you may just have to create a new account, or maybe you can try out to see product related help articles in order for you to recover it. Now, let's say you actually have a recovery option listed in your Yahoo account. So we're just going to head back to the login page. I'm going to type in login once again so that we can head over here. And now I'm going to enter a username that has recovery options. You're going to click on next right here. And then after that, you're going to have to enter the verification code that was emailed to you. So since I'm using at gmail.com for this one, it means that this account is already connected to my Gmail. So for example, I don't have any access to this Gmail account anymore. Let's say we can click on try signing in another way, and we can see here that it will suggest to use this Google sign in method. So what we're going to do is we're just going to click on sign in with Google and then it will take us to the Google signing page. So as you can see here, it's trying to sign us in and it will work. And that's it. Once you have your account signed in, then your Yahoo account has been recovered and you can start using it again normally. Now, if all of these methods still doesn't work for you, or if you don't have any other recovery options listed, then the very last thing that you can do is to actually create a new account. Or, just like I said earlier, to contact a Yahoo specialist, which you will have to pay for. And that's it. Those are two important things that you will have to take note of. And if this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And if you have more questions, please comment them down below. And if you need more tutorials regarding Yahoo, then you can just check out some of other of our videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.